In this quick video, I want to show you how to disarm one of your Blink video cameras while still having one operational. So for example, I have a Blink security camera on top of my refrigerator inside my home, and I have a Blink security camera outside with my doorbell. However, I want to disarm this one inside the house because I'm moving around. But I want to keep my doorbell video camera on in case someone comes up to my door. So in order to do that, the only thing you have to do is just go into your Blink app and you choose which system you want. So they've got prom in, and I got my mom who lives miles away from me. So I got it highlighted. So here's my two cameras. Here's the inside, as you can see, on top of the refrigerator, and this one on the bottom, of course, is the one outdoor to my security door. So in order to disarm my house and then make sure that the outside's armed, you only use the disarmed and armed buttons. So go ahead, right now they're both disarmed, go ahead and click armed. And the little green man that pops up shows that they're both armed because they're green. So in order to disarm one of them, of course I want to disarm the one that's on top of the refrigerator, which is the one up here. Only thing I have to do is click the three little dots, and then down here where it says motion detection on, go ahead and click on it, and then that you can see there that little green man turn into gray. So that's disarmed, yet the one right here outside has got a little green man. So that one's armed. All right? Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.